Hello everyone, here in this tutorial we'll explore how can I get the exam results into the Excel sheet. I want to export exam results into the Excel sheet. Let's look up the couple of options. Let's start with the exam. I go to the exam result. I assume that the exam has been created and the marks has been entered. So let me select my class 10 and I'll select my subject math and just clicked on search. I see these are the exams. This is the very simple first options. First option, clicked on the detail, and here we have a button called export. Let me click on export button, and the sheet has been downloaded. Let me just click here, and here we go. I can see the serial number, DBID, and the sorted by roll number and the marks. So this is option number 1 to get the results into the Excel sheet. Let's go to the option number 2. Using this icon, clicked here, you can select your class 10. You can select your exam type, this is optional, or maybe you can select your subject math. When you select maths, it will download all the exams. If you want to further filter out based on type, you can choose the type and dates as well. And there are other options as well, percentage and grade only. Let me just click on generate report. System has downloaded the results, and let me open up the Excel, and here we go. Here I can see this entire result. The student exam 1, 2, 3 and 4. The details result is there. So that's the second option to download the exam result into the Excel sheet. Now let me go with the third option. So third option is available under exam, and here it's exam result analytics. Just click there. I need to select my class 10, and I select my type. Here the type is mandatory. I select my subject math and just say get result. I see the student list, all the exams. Just clicked on Excel, and you would able to download the entire result into the Excel sheet. So that's the third option. Obviously, further you have options to filter the data based on the exam date, and that's the way you can get it. So if you do not select subject and just say get report, you will get the exam result for all the subject for this exam type. So that's the various options are available. That's a third option. Now let's explore the fourth option that is available under exam report studio. Here we have to use the various report cards to download the reports and the Excels basically. So let me start exploring these options. This is the report card monthly exam report card, and here I will use the generate by LMS data option. Let me create a new report. I'll select my class 10A and just say create report. I'll select the subject, let's say math. I'll start with math, and I'll select my exam type, let's say unit test, and further if I wanted to have a date range option, it's there. Otherwise just click on save. That's it. And now I'll go to preview report and directly click on Excel result. Let's see, it's downloaded here. Let me click here, and here the result has been downloaded with all the exams and their marks, but I could not see the dates. If I wanted to have a dates here, I can let me just obviously I need to format it well, so I just format the one column to format painter and just select all the columns, and this entire result is available on percentage using this report. Let's explore the another options. So another option is the single subject progress report card. So if I click here generate by LMS data, let me create new report. I select my class 10A, create report. I need to select the subject, let's say math. Okay, I need to select the exam type, unit, or maybe I can select the exams as well. This is optional. Either I can select exam from here or exam type. Here I'm selecting the exam type and just say save. That's it. Go to preview report and clicked on Excel result. Clicked here to see the Excel sheet, and here we go. So here I can see the exam date as well. Let me just format this one. So I'll just select this one, this column, and the format. Okay, and I can see the exam date there. Exams achieve marked percentage, date achieve mark percentage, date achieve mark percentage. But the one drawback I can see here, like I could not see the total marks. So if you want total marks, just reach out to the support team. They can configure for you, and that can be added into your report cards as well. So that is things available, and result for each exam is also available. So that's another good point. Available here. There's a master list, okay, master sheet, and the sheet for each exam is available. So these are the various way you can download the exam results into the Excel sheet. These are not just the report card, but there are a lot of other report cards available which will give you options to download the results into the Excel sheet. If you still want the custom report cards, you can feel free to reach out support team support@educloud.app. Thank you.